Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Keeping your Google account secure means occasionally removing old or unused devices. This simple, yet powerful step actively prevents unauthorized access to your personal information, a critical safeguard in today's digital world. It's especially important if you have lost a phone, had a tablet stolen, or even sold an old laptop. Taking a few moments now helps ensure your data remains completely private, giving you valuable peace of mind. To start, simply open your favorite web browser, whether you are on a computer or using a mobile device. Then, type My Account. Google.com into the address bar and hit Enter to go directly to your Google account management page. You will need to sign in securely using the exact Google account credentials that are currently linked to the specific device you intend to remove, ensuring you access the correct settings. After successfully logging in, your next step is to find the security option. Look for it clearly displayed on the left-hand navigation menu of the page. Clicking on this tab will instantly take you to a dedicated area that showcases all your account's protection measures, a comprehensive overview. This hub is where Google manages every facet of your account's digital safety, including all the devices currently connected. As you scroll down the security page, keep an eye out for a clearly labeled section called Your Devices. Within this box, you will find a link that says Manage All Devices. Click on this to open a comprehensive list showing every single device currently connected to your Google account. Now, carefully review this detailed overview and pinpoint the exact device you want to remove, making sure of your selection. Next to the device you want to remove, you will see 3 vertical dots, which is your More Options icon. Simply click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Sign Out option. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision, so click Confirm. The device will then instantly lose all access to your Google account, effectively boosting your digital security and protecting your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.